Okay, hey there, welcome back. Thanks for sticking around for the last video. One thing I like to do at the end here, just like when you shave your face, for us dudes, is we gotta put some aftershave on. So one of the last things I like to do, and it's a must, so your skin doesn't get irritated, is put a little aftershave on the sides and the back of your head, because you gotta remember, you're actually going to the skin just like you would your face. We didn't actually go against the grain of the skin. We're still going to the skin and it can get irritated. So it's good to put some aftershave on there to make it feel better. Again, I just want to thank everybody for sticking around until the end there. Believe it or not, that was the first time I've ever recorded myself cutting my hair. There will be many more to come. Many more instructional videos where I'll probably take some more off the top of my hair, where I will actually fade higher on my head on both sides and in the back. Sometimes I don't go all the way to the skin, sometimes I don't. And then there will be more videos in the future of me cutting other people's hair as well. Again, I've been doing this for 20 years and I really enjoy doing it. Didn't necessarily ever want to be a barber, but it's just kind of something that I took on as a hobby, and I've come to love it. I've come to enjoy it. So, bless you. Again, Jeremy Nelson here, co-founder of Military Haircut Academy. Co-founder of Military Haircut Academy. Shout out to my business partner, Kathy Burt, and her husband, Jim. Many more videos to come, so please stay with us and keep coming back to the website. Thank you.